Metong karing pagmaragula aktibidad piya dyan daring at tsukeng tourism industry meetings, incentive travels, convention and exhibition o MICE conference. Marapatini king SMX Convention Center Clark, Pampanga ken July 10 to 12, 2024. Agpangking Tourism Promotions Board. Metong karing co-organizer na ning MICECon 2024 kayabe in Clark Development Corporation at Department of Tourism. Miras laking 700 ring makyabeng exhibitors king event. Bukod king pa magdatang daring miyayaliwang participants sa siguradong magpasikang king economic activity kilob ning Clark at kasiping ng Balen. Makasaup yan naman kanuing MICECon 2024 king promotion na ning Clark antimong metong nga convention hub emu king Pilipinas nune king mabilugasya agpangkang Clark Development Corporation President and CEO Attorney Agnes Devanadera.
MICECon will also connect us. MICECon will connect Clark. MICECon will put Clark in the center of all the activities. We are not just targeting the MICECon or the convention center of the Philippines. We are targeting the convention hub of Asia.
Meron pa siya king Hilton, Sun Valley Clark, ang launching na ning one of the most anticipated events anyang Sabado, October 9. Keti, karelang petin dayag, ing mapilang bagay dapat kanong i-look forward na ring magatent king MICECon 2024. Kalupa na ning Kapampangan sisig ating P-Diet Fashion.
So there's quite a lot of partnerships we have here in Clark na pwedeng i-benefit yung mga MICECon attendees. So our fashion show today was not just with our team members but of course kasama ang Duyan ni Maria. Ang Duyan Maria talagang partner po namin yan. Last year pa lang sila nang kumanta ng mga Christmas carols because it's important for us. We're an international company. Yung think global, act local.
Ako po, Felix Kapati Barrios, ingke kayong talasuyo at impusong makabalen.